Hi, I'm going to explain how errors work in TermLynx. TermLynx detects 6 types of errors: capitalized terms that are not defined, references to sections that don't exist, definitions not used, lowercase instances of defined terms, missing cross-references, and finally, broken cross-references. Some of these errors are critical, while others are irrelevant. TermLynx will use its artificial intelligence to create a risk score to sort errors by relevancy. It's the probability that the error is material to the document. Let's inspect the errors in the training document. After activating TermLynx, you can find errors in the Error tab. You can select errors like the search results using your mouse or arrow keys. Once you have selected an error, the TermLynx Explorer will navigate to it. Errors are grouped by type. Errors with a high risk score have a red dot and are likely to require immediate attention. Errors with a moderate risk score have a yellow dot. Errors with a low risk score have a green dot and are likely to be irrelevant. You can select the error in Microsoft Word by pressing Enter. It is easy now to correct them. After saving your document, the corrected error will disappear, and TermLynx will automatically select the next one. Let's recap. The errors work exactly like results. Use the risk score to prioritize what is material. You can review low-risk errors at the final stage of your drafting. Congratulations, you have completed Module 4. In Module 5, you will learn how to navigate interconnected information.